Hey everybody, so the app that I chose is called Prodigy, and if you go to www.prodigygame.com, it brings you here. It's a free app. I know that in my children's school, in the school that I work at, it is part of our Clever login where the kids just easily click and they can go to um, any apps that we have: Accelerator Reader, Education Galaxy, Prodigy. They have all these different, county approved um, apps and different things they can do. So if you were to create your account, I'm going to log in so that you can see the teacher view of it. This is my work email since I signed up as a teacher. I'm a kindergarten para, so I have a school email address, which makes it easier. Hopefully that's the correct password. Okay. So this is showing you like a teacher's view of the website. And I just put home saying I homeschooled. I didn't link it to the school that I work at since I'm not an actual certified teacher there. And I put my students in so that I can see what a teacher would see from it. And I let my son play the game yesterday. So as you can see, it's showing me, my top students this week. My daughter never actually signed on, but my son's name is Grayson. So far he has 31 out of 38 correct answers. If I wanted to actually assess my kids, I could create an assignment on here. And so placement test, say I want them to do their placement test and it's due by the 8th. So that's their assignment right now, placement test. View report. Placement test report is just showing me, I'm guessing Grayson's right now because it's grade 3. So it's showing if he's at or above grade level right now. So he's at or above grade level, number and operations in base 10, measurement and data, and geometry. A detailed breakdown. So I can go and choose to see in a detailed breakdown. It shows me geometry. He got this question correct. He got this question wrong. So I should, review quadrilaterals with him. Geometry 202, 405, but you can see which questions they actually answered in each topic so that you could really understand, what is the volume of the something sphere? So he obviously doesn't understand how to acquire the volume of a sphere. So that's something I need to review with him, even as a parent. But so it shows you the different things. But now I'm going to log into my son's account so that you can see what it's like from a student's standpoint, because it's a math game. And even though they're playing games, they're still answering math questions and doing math work. So I think that's pretty awesome because...
Are you playing from home or from school?
We're playing from home right now. We'll skip this. Choose your world. I don't know, breakbeat. So it's loading. They have a quest. It goes through this whole introduction of what you're trying to do.
With the power of the wardens, we're going to put a stop to the orders. But now, 6 wardens.
You're basically trying to beat this man who wants to do away with the academy where these wizards are trying to go to learn. So I don't really know how to turn off the music in this thing, or I would, because I'm sure it's making noise over me.
I have a little secret I was keeping from them. All that black...
Alright.
I think you've earned your wizard.
I might need to move my camera so I can get the thing. Alright, name your wizard.
It's perfect! With the word... Let's open it.
Okay.
To travel to a new area, just click the areas I...
Sorry, this is taking so long, you guys. Okay, so now it's traveling to a world, and there you can come across
Check here to see what your friends have been doing. Oh, hello there.
Okay. So I can go and battle. These are all different people, I'm guessing. But as you walk, you could enter, you could be challenged. Obviously, a lot of pop-up ads.
Unless you learn, the stronger our mind illusions get.
So I'm entering a battle, a wizard battle. Oh, a pivot battle, not a wizard battle. And you choose your attack. Okay, Mabel received 120 of her favorite beads for her birthday. There were 4 packages. How many beads per package were there? So I know that I could just do 120 divided by 4. But it says select the expression that represents the problem above. If the student is stuck, they can click on this light bulb here, and it'll give them a breakdown. Let's determine if the part of the problem is a multiplicative comparison or an additive comparison. Multiplicable? Sorry if I'm not saying that right. Okay, description. One quantity is a specified number of times larger or smaller than the other. It repeats multiple times. Additive. There is a difference between 2 quantities. There is more of one quantity than another. How many times as many divide? What is the total multiply? How many more subtract? What is the total add? So it kind of tells them what they should do.
Let's determine if the part of the problem is a
and I guess it'll
multiplicative.
read it to them. But we know that it's not saying that they were different, so I'm guessing it's division. That's correct. So it'll go back to the other battle, and it should take away. I don't know why we can't see his little bar up here. Usually you can, like over here, you can see I have 700 points. Usually you can see what your opponent has left in terms of strength. So reduce your answers to the lowest terms. 6 minus 5, that'll give us 1/6. That's spell. So it's great because it's like they think they're just playing a game, but really they're practicing their math skills at the same time, or they're learning new math skills if they get stuck on a problem because it walks them through each thing. And so I feel like that's really great for them to, like, if they earn some free Chromebook time, like, yes, they're playing games, but they're learning at the same time. So even though they're playing games, they're educational games. And it's great, you know, for math centers. I could go into so subtract. Reduce your answer to the lowest terms. To reduce a fraction to the lowest terms, divide the greatest factor from the denominator and the numerator. For example, the greatest common factor is 4/12 is 4. So 4 divided by 4, 12 divided by 4 equals 1/3. Lowest terms for 4/12 would be 1/3. Okay, so really we can say this is 4/12, so 7 minus 4/12 is 3/12, which would be 1/4. See, because I forget these simple things. And then, you know, we get into math classes, or you're substituting, or you're helping your kids with their math homework, and you're like, oh my gosh, I don't even know how to do this. And you kind of have to refresh your own mind on, you know, your math skills. So I've been playing this in the role of my son. Like, it's interesting. But okay, I feel like this is going on for a while, and I'm sorry that this video is taking so long, but I just wanted to kind of give you guys an idea of what the Prodigy game is, and that it's really, like, the students usually call it Math Prodigy because, I mean, they're doing math, but they're also playing a game, and in the classroom they'll be able to, like, battle each other and compete for that top ranking student spot. And then, you know, you get a breakdown to see what their strengths in math are, what their weaknesses are, what they need help with, what they're doing well with. So let me know if you guys have any other questions, but I really think this is an awesome use, a great, you know, classroom app to use, and a great resource. Okay. Y'all have a great day. Bye. I don't know what's happening right now. How do I stop this?